We are the Easteps. This is Alexis, Dale, and my name's Christy Eastep, and we are building stone brick. The best experience we've had so far with Shaw Homes. It's been from the very beginning, touring the homes with Nigel. The floor plans in the homes were beautiful, and then I would think all the way down to the design studio, and it's just been a pleasure, and it's been so much fun, and it's been very, very easy the whole way through.
In my opinion, what sets Shaw Homes apart from others is options. Lots of options.
Well, I think what sets Shaw Homes apart from any other builder is that I believe they're a lot sweeter in the process, and they help you, and it's a lot easier to pick everything, and they have a lot of options to choose from.
This is your
You
pitch.
had a great idea, and you're heading the right way, and they're really sweet, and they're gonna help you out through the way, and it's really awesome, and they're gonna love it.
So if I were to recommend Shaw Homes to another, I would say that it has been less stress than I could possibly have imagined. Very professional, and all your options are just gorgeous, and I just can't wait to see the final process. So I would absolutely recommend Shaw Homes to anyone.
Great.
I would recommend Shaw Homes simply because I think that as far as building a home is concerned, I think this process has been as easy, if not easier, than quite possibly having the ability to go and just purchase a house when it's already built. So.
And I mean, also Shaw Homes is known for being the best well-known house building company. So
Yeah.
Yeah.